A shop nearby Khumulwng Bidhya Chandra School burned into ashes on Wednesday night. The shop owner Subrata Devarma says that a goods of around 10 lakhs rupees had burned along with the shop. Like every day, Subrata Devarma and his family of Bidhya Chandra went home, closing the shop at 10 p.m. at night on Wednesday. Unfortunately, neighbors saw a fire breaking out suddenly at the shop on Wednesday night. Fire service personnel rushed to the spot after they got the information of the incident. However, villagers has already flamed down the fire before they arrived. Villagers say that the fire might have broke out because of the short circuit. The shop owner Subrata Devarma says that a goods of around 10 lakh rupees had burned along with the shop.
Tamong money. Abo sungto si 10 roga sungwan bodo khai thangana. The freeze line basung off khan klango. The somogodo abo short circuit hoitena nangkhana uyang no putala to uyang to putala mangla. Short by khamoi putala klai yang tola muri bostara to mabla. Amki ajago join tong mada current ayang sakau join no gayang tola bo freeze line tongo kai amon hotono current hotono short circuit hotono nakana min oro current ki permanent tam thepajak tongne ni current no min oro do dum tongo mini LED light mini fan freeze ice cream ni freeze gayang freeze duta freeze tong cold drink ni bisi bosor rong khonani no je phalno January ni 25 tarik opening kami namo. Ke asuk bos romoi to ini orang short circuit ni ya. Bahaya asom sang kena bom mahai kena bo. Abo sung family apa cara thapa panjai bor family jenai. Jar wiring kani ro. Bosung ni rang ni mari ro khorchong. Mana ni khoting kena. Propex so jaga saran noilang ni pur dongo. Total kai. Jokono dong nugu ro thamai ke kami ro thawar dek. Okay, fire service ro kada phai kani. Fire service horbotar man bore phai ke boro. Mane shahar mani logi sob kholi ata. Ko 10 minute ni bisim sob ke boro. Okay, thana ni boro ro kya bo phai nada na ke. Thana ni boro ta su zoro te ke phai ko. Nin bung ke. An bung Subrata Devarma. Bo jaga klai mo. No Bidhya Chandra School. Bidhya Chandra School ni Ganawa.
At last, Radhapur police arrived at the location after they got the information of the incident. The sensation spread among the people of Khumulwng Bidhya Chandra area on Wednesday night. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.